Hey guys, did you just finished installing WordPress? Great. Now it's time to activate and fully set up your WordPress site, and in this video, I will show you exactly what to do right after installation to get your site live. So once your installation is complete, go to yoursite.com/wpadmin and log in using the username and password you created during setup. This takes you to your WordPress dashboard. Some hosting providers display a default coming soon page. Look for the launch or coming soon active notice on your dashboard and click to deactivate it so your site goes live. Now go to settings, navigate to general and update your site title and tagline to match your brand. This is what appears on browser tabs and search results. For SEO friendly URLs, simply navigate to settings, navigate to permalinks and select the post name option. This keeps your page links clean and easy to remember. Now activate key plugins like security, backup and caching tools. You can also install SEO and contact form plugins depending on your site's purpose. Go to appearance, navigate to themes and pick a theme that fits your style. Activate it and start customizing using the WordPress customizer or your themes setting panel. Now create a new page or post by going to pages, navigating to add new or navigating to posts and navigating to add new and clicking on the add new button. Once you publish, your WordPress site will be officially live and ready to welcome visitors. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.